Ever had dinner timing completely fall apart because one dish needed a different temperature than the other? Yeah, we've all been there. That's exactly why double oven ranges are a game changer. Bake, roast, broil, and keep food warm, all at the same time. No waiting, no compromising, no cold side dishes. Whether you're feeding a big family, hosting holiday dinners, or just love being in the kitchen, the right double oven range changes everything. Today, let's count in 5 of the best you can buy right now. And number 1 feels like having a professional kitchen right in your own home. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. Number 5. GE Profile PGB965YPFS. If versatility is what you're after, this one earns a close look. Double oven design, multiple dishes at different temperatures simultaneously. Holiday meals, family dinners, zero stress. Upper oven for everyday cooking. Larger, lower oven for roasting meats or baking multiple trays at once. Cooktop heats quickly with enough burner variety for delicate sauces and high heat searing. Convection improves baking consistency throughout. Sturdy build, intuitive controls, modern stainless finish. For busy households that need an honest all-around performer, the GE Profile delivers. Number 4. Samsung NE63A6751SS Flex Duo. Samsung takes a different approach, and it's a smart one. Instead of permanently splitting the oven space, the Flex Duo system lets you choose. 1 large oven when you need full capacity. 2 independent cooking zones when you don't. Never sacrifice space for a big roast, but always have dual temperature control when you need it. Smooth electric cooktop. Convection that kills hot spots. Simple controls. Sleek design for modern kitchens. For homeowners who want adaptability without losing cooking space, this is one of the smartest solutions available today. Number 3. KitchenAid KFGD500ESS. Built for people who genuinely love cooking. Upper oven preheats quickly for everyday meals. Spacious lower convection oven handles casseroles and multiple trays with excellent temperature consistency. Gas cooktop delivers precise flame control. Gentle simmering to powerful boiling, all in your hands. Heat distribution is impressively even. Baked goods rise consistently. Roasted dishes cook through edge to edge. Sturdy knobs, heavy-duty grates. Premium construction built for years of use. If you cook from scratch and demand dependable performance, this KitchenAid is a fantastic choice. Number 2. LG LTEL7337F. Serious cooking performance meets modern convenience, and it makes it look effortless. Large capacity, easy multi-dish cooking. Convection finishes meals faster and more evenly than traditional baking methods. Electric cooktop responds quickly. Frying, sautéing, slow simmering, all handled. Smart connectivity lets you monitor and control cooking from your phone. But what really sets this range apart is balance. Reliable results, intuitive controls, attractive design, smart features that help without complicating anything. For families who cook often, this is an excellent combination of technology and everyday usability. Number 1. Café CGS750P4 MW2 Double Oven Range. This range was built for serious home chefs, and it delivers on every level. Premium build quality, thoughtful cooking features, exceptional temperature accuracy. The whole experience feels remarkably close to a professional kitchen. Double ovens with generous capacity. Bake desserts in one compartment while roasting dinner in the other. No compromise on either side. Powerful gas burners. Outstanding heat control. Gently melt butter or rapidly boil a full pot, both with equal precision. Convection promotes even airflow. Beautifully browned baked goods. Consistently roasted meats every single time. Customizable hardware. Elegant design that elevates the entire kitchen. Expensive? Yes. Worth it? for exceptional performance, premium craftsmanship, and true double oven flexibility. This is one of the finest ranges you can bring home. 5 ranges. 5 different kitchens. One question: which one is yours? Flexible Samsung, dependable KitchenAid, or the premium Café at number 1? Drop your pick in the comments. Every product link is in the description. Hit like if this helped. Subscribe for more honest home appliance reviews. I'll see you in the next one.